Hi everyone. Today I want to talk about baby gift box that you can get for free here in Switzerland. So this gift box you can get either from a gynecologist after 6 months of a pregnancy, or that's what I got on the first month during your first visit of your pediatrician. So this baby box, that is, I will repeat, it's completely free, and let's see what is inside. So here you can open it like this. Okay, let's see how we can open it. So yeah, like this. And let's see what is inside. So we have a flyer that is telling that you can also get another gift box that is junior. So it's from the 4th month. If you fill in the form, you will get also a box that will have plenty of samples after the 4th month, after the birth of your baby. It's also for free and available only in Switzerland. What's next we have? So yeah, here we have a website where you can if you can sign in and create your account, and you will get a newsletter that will contain some useful information about your how to take care of your baby, what to do in that or this case. So every piece of information, and even you have a forum where you can, with other parents, you can discuss what is available now in Switzerland for your children. Okay, let's see. It's also a flyer. They're promoting Farm Expo that will take here in it's in Bern. So as I'm based in Geneva, it's not quite useful, but probably someone will like it. It will take place from 12th to 15th October this year. Next we have a book. It's in French, and I guess it's completely in French. It's about let's say advices for young parents, first year of your baby. So, and they also have this flyer for the junior gift box with a chance of winning. It's a special chair for the car. Car seat for children. Let's see. Okay, you have also children clothing. Verbaudet. They offer in 20 francs, and from buying 60 francs, and delivery is also free. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's a big envelope. Let's see what is inside. And inside we have really very big envelope. Okay, we have some different vouchers and interesting information. Let's see. We have how to protect your baby from the sun. It's for the different cup, 20 francs. But I guess if you buy something for 200 francs, so you can fill in and get a free toothpaste for photo session. Oh no, it's not photo session, it's for the book. You can get different flyers, and it's publicity for acid folic It's yeah. Okay, let's see. We have from UBS, a small gift from UBS. It's a small toy, I guess, yeah, for a baby. Yeah. It's a nice toy that makes this noise, so when baby touches it, it makes this noise that actually is quite have a positive effect on a baby. I guess my daughter loves it. So when she touches it, it makes this noise that it's quite has a calming effect on her. What else we have? We have La Mobilière, quite useful for those who have a car. It's also saying that you can get a second one. So it's actually that's what you make, that you put on a side window on your car. It's for protect from the sun. You can get second one for free. You should just fill in another form and send them. Okay, what we have else? We have 2 samples of Bepanthen in this nice stuff. Bepanthen Plus, it's cream, and another one, so it's quite useful. For sure, these are samples, so it's actually, at least you can try and see if it works for you, but still something useful, because you don't have to buy if, like to try if it fits or not. Okay, let's see what else. Oh, you have pack of Pampers. It's actually this size is size 2. You have just one. Size 2, it's for, even if it's written, but this is for babies 3 and 6 kilo. My baby was quite big, so she weighed 4 kilo and 800. And no, it's not 4, it's 3, 800. Yeah, I'm quite tired these days. So it was quite a lot, but we still we're using number 1, because number 2, they were a little bit bigger. So what we have inside? We have so here we have some flyers, some information about the Pampers, and we have 1 Pampers, size 2. You can actually see on the Pampers, it's number 2, and this baby wipes. That is quite nice. That we will use them a little bit later, as we are not walking outside a lot. Okay, let's see what after we have. We have, for example, of 2 flacons. Yeah, it's a solution physiologique that you can put to clean the nose of your baby, and sometimes it can be used for the eyes. We have another pack of baby wipes. This time they acquired with chamomile and aloe vera. Yeah, it's a normal pack. Just how many pieces? I have no idea. So, what else we have? We have a sample of a set of washing powder. That is quite good. I already used it. 100 grams. It's for 1 wash, for 1 machine. Quite good. It's sensitive, so it has no smell, and quite nice. Okay, what else we have? Okay, we have also some gifts from Mustela. From Mustela we have some cream for breastfeeding moms. Okay, that you can even, you don't have to rinse your breasts, as the baby can, if it eats a little bit, it's okay. What else? It's cleansing water. Okay, so it's like this, cleansing water. And yeah, facial cream. Sample of facial cream. What else? So yeah, that's it. And after, you have a small brochure on the products they have. Okay, let's see what else. Okay, yeah, Huckle. They were given also pack and providing with information which different types of products they have. What else we have? After Club. What After Club is offering us? Let's open. Let's open. Oh yeah, it's a nice thing that you have. It's a card. You can make like this. And yeah, and that's all. You have also this for your book. So that's all. Hope you liked it. Have a nice day. Bye.